Hello everyone, welcome to CryptoRoll channel. This video will be a short tutorial for the most famous crypto exchange. If you want to invest or trade in the crypto world, you have to know about this exchange. I will tell you how to create an account and how to use main features of Binance. Subscribe to my channel and we start. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies. As of January 2018, Binance was the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of trading volume. Binance was founded by Changpeng Zhao, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. Binance was initially based in China, but later moved out of China due to China's increasing regulation of cryptocurrency. First, you should go to the site using this link. It gives you 10% of all your commission back. When the account is created, you should go here and pass the identity verification. I recommend you also pass the address verification. If you don't have any crypto yet, you can buy it here. You can just use your card or use P2P trading, which can be more profitable. If you buy crypto through P2P trading, you should transfer it on the fiat and spot wallet. When you receive your crypto now, you can go in the wallet and see your assets here. There are a lot of wallets for margin trading and futures, but if you are a newbie, you need only the fiat and spot wallet. When you click here and see your assets, click to deposit or withdraw on any assets you want. When you withdraw crypto, you should choose transfer network. Choose the network that your deposit accepts. If you don't choose correctly, you will lose your money. Before we can go and trade, we should enable one useful feature. Click here and enable using BNB to pay for fees. You should have a little amount of BNB for fees, but this discount will be really profitable for you. Next, we can go on Trade Classic. Now type in the search any crypto you want. Type BTC USDT, for example. Here you can see buyers and sellers. Type acceptable price for you to buy or sell. Then choose how much BTC you want to buy or sell. Or enter the total amount USDT you want to spend for the trade. If you don't want to wait, you can just use market. Just type the amount of BTC you want to buy or sell. And you did the trade at market price. You can see the history of your orders here. There are also two interesting features here. Maybe I will tell you about them in the next videos. If you are a newbie, don't try to use them without knowledge about them. There are also a lot of different features on Binance. I may make a video about them in the future, but for now, you know the basics of Binance. Thank you for watching, support the new channel with a like and subscribe. Links of all sites will be in the description. See you in the next videos.